Hi Weber fans, so today what we're going to be doing is cooking a Latino pork roast. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Now don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products and the recipes down there as well. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so like I said, today what we're going to be doing is cooking a Latino pork roast. Now you can do this on the kettle, you can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can even do it on the Q. For this cooking system, you're going to need an indirect low heat. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so before we start, we're going to get our recipe going. So you're going to need a bowl to mix all of your paste in there. So what we'll do is jump in, grab the ingredients, and then we'll start making our paste and getting that pork prepared. Right, so now we've grabbed our ingredients, I'll quickly go through what we've got. Now there's not a lot for this rub. There's literally 6 items, but what those 6 items are going to do is they're going to infuse into that meat and bring out that fantastic flavour of that pork. Right, so what we've got is some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some dried oregano, some black pepper, and some sea salt. Now also what you're going to need is 5 big cloves of garlic. So what we'll do now is dive in, get that garlic chopped, get that rub made, and start preparing our pork. Also, our pork's been in overnight now, so it's soaked up all that marinade and infused that flavour into that meat. So what we're going to do now is set up the Genesis, get it a 10-minute preheat and get a smoker box on there before we put the meat on. Then once that starts smoking, we'll get the pork straight on the Weber on a nice low and slow heat. Right, so our roast has been on for 3 hours now, so it's hit roughly 53 degrees. I will put what that is in Fahrenheit on screen. So what we're going to do is turn the roast for the rest of the duration and leave it fat side up. So now we've got our pork out and that's resting for at least an hour. We've got to make our mojo for it. So for our mojo, we're going to use some brown sugar, chili powder, grapefruit juice, some orange juice, some sea salt, some distilled white vinegar, and the rind of one orange. What we'll do is jump in and start making the mojo. Right, so our Latino pork roast is all plated up with that mojo, so it's time to jump in and give it a bit of a taste test. Right, so the pork's really moist, really tender. The flavours balance out really well. You've got that hint of chilli, so you've got a little bit of spice in there, but it's not too much. With the balance of the flavour from all the ingredients that are in that mojo, it tastes superb. Right, now don't forget everything using my videos are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products and the recipes down there as well. As you can see, that Latino pork roast turned out superb. Really, really moist, really tender, and with that mojo, it just finished it off to a T. The balance of those flavours in that mojo worked really well, and it was a big hit with the family. So again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. So what we'll do is grab our ingredients and then we'll start making our pork